Hi, my name is Claire and I'm an Etsy store seller. Part of my channel is used to give help and advice for all things Etsy. Etsy listing fees explained. Every time you add a product to your Etsy shop, you create a new listing. Etsy charges a flat rate of 20 pence per listing, regardless of whether the item you list sells. Listing fees are deducted from your payment account at the time the listing is published or renewed. If you have not yet opened an Etsy store, I can give you 40 free listings and I'll put a link in the description below. That way, if you don't make any sales, it doesn't cost you a penny. But you won't get the free listings if you've already opened an Etsy store. Auto-renew fee. To avoid manually relisting each item after it sells or when a listing expires after 4 months, Etsy users can choose to have their listings automatically renewed. Each automatically renewed listing costs 20 pence. Keep watching because I'm going to share with you an amazing calculator that will calculate the fees for you so you know what to charge. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I have other videos available and lots more planned. Private listing fee explained. If you want to post a certain product for sale but only to a particular buyer, you can make a private listing for the standard 20 pence. You'll be charged only when the buyer has placed an order. This is an example of a custom order and I use the same image for all custom orders. Etsy transaction fee. Etsy charges 6.5% of the total order amount. This fee applies to the total cost of the item along with postage and gift wrap if you charge your customers for those. To date, no other selling platform can offer what Etsy does for handmade. Just work the figures into your prices. Etsy shipping fees. Etsy's shipping transaction fee is 6.5% of the total cost your customers pay for shipping. You may offer free shipping to your customers, but you typically build shipping into the cost of your product, so you'll still be paying the 6.5% in the form of a transaction fee. Etsy payment processing fees. Etsy charges payment processing fees at a set rate plus a percentage of an item's total sale price. The rate and percentage charge varies by country. For the UK, it's 4% and 20 pence. Etsy off-site ads. All sellers are automatically enrolled in off-site ads. Some sellers are able to opt out of the program. Others are required to participate based on the following criteria. If your UK shop made £7,784 or more total sales in any consecutive 365-day period, you can't opt out and will have to pay off-site ad fees. Any earnings below that, or if you are opening a new shop, enables you to opt out. If your Etsy shop made less than $10,000 US, which is £7,784, you'll be charged a 15% fee for an order to an off-site ad on the amount you made from your sale before the advertising fee was applied. If your Etsy shop made at least $10,000 US, which again is £7,784, you'll get a discounted fee of 12%, which is what I pay. The off-site advertising fee for an order will never exceed £77. So here is the amazing calculator that I told you about earlier for working out the Etsy fees. It's called the Craft Sellers Planner. And if we put, for an example, your item is £10, you sold one item with a £3 postage, and it wasn't an off-site ad. You calculate the fees, obviously £13. you'll actually be charged £2.10 fees, so you will actually get £10.90 from that £13. And then if you go down, it will explain all the fees. Payment processing fee 72, VAT 14, listing renewal 16, VAT for renewal 3, transaction fee, so you can see all what you get charged. If we go back and put an off-site ad fee, of 15% and then calculate, look how those fees have jumped to £4.44. The total income is £8.56 that you will get. And if it was 12%, £3.97. Let's change this to, let's do £5. One item and the shipping £2. Now this would be a craft supply for me. No off-site ad. Oops. There we go. Total price £7, total fees £1.34, total income £5.66. So you've really got to work those fees into your product. We'll do another example of, say, £2.50, one item, £2 shipping, calculate. Total fees £1.1. So your income of £3.49, you also have to buy postage, your padded envelope, go into the post office, your petrol. Now on that £2.50, if there was an off-site ad of 12%, which is what I get charged, calculate, £1.66 is taken. So from that £4.50 you get £2.84. I'll put the link for the Etsy calculator in the description below. It saves so much time. It really helps pricing your items. Remember, until you reach £7,784 in sales, you will not be charged off-site ads and can opt out from them. No other platform can offer you the customer base for handmade products. I'm not affiliated with Etsy in any way, but I have been a seller for many years. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe. There's other videos you can watch, and there's a lot more that I have planned. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.